Prabhas donated huge money for the welfare of people. The world is currently going through a difficult time because of the outbreak of the deadly virus. Our country is going through a lockdown of 21 days to keep the people safe and to break the spread of the virus. Bollywood and Tollywood celebrities have come forward to help the government in helping the needy people. Tollywood superstar Prabhas is one of the first celebrities to come forward in helping the Indian government. The Bahubali actor has decided to help financially the government to fight against the virus. South Indian megastar Prabhas donated a large amount of 4 crores during this time of crisis. The Telugu actor has donated 3 crores to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. He has donated 50 lakhs each to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The actor has urged his fans and all the Indian citizens to stay at home and to maintain the lockdown. He asked every people to help the government and the needy people as much as they can. People has applauded Prabhas for donating such a huge amount at this time. Later, this Telugu actor also donated a hefty amount of 50 lakhs for the daily wage workers. He donated this 50 lakhs rupees to another Telugu megastar Chiranjeevi's crisis charity. This time Prabhas donated this 50 lakhs rupees for the daily wage workers who work in the Telugu film industry. Because of the pandemic outbreak, all the shootings are closed from 19th March, which is why the workers are jobless now. So the actor decided to help them through Chiranjeevi's charity. Prabhas recently returned from Georgia where he was shooting for his upcoming movie. He was there shooting with his co-star Pooja Hegde and both of them have returned. Both the stars went to self-quarantine for 14 days after returning from Georgia. Other South Indian stars have also come forward to help the daily wage workers and the government. Chiranjeevi himself donated 1 crore rupees for the welfare of daily wage workers of Telugu film industry. Megastar Rajnikant has also donated 50 lakhs rupees for the daily wage workers at the Film Employees Federation. Mahesh Babu donated 1 crore for CM's Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and 25 lakhs for daily wage workers of Telugu industry. Pawan Kalyan also donated 1 crore to Prime Minister's Relief Fund and 50 lakhs each to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Handsome star Allu Arjun donated 1 crore rupees for the well-being of people in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Kerala. Telugu star Ram Charan has also donated 70 lakhs to Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Junior NTR also donated 25 lakhs each to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana government and 25 lakhs for daily wage workers. People have highly appreciated the South Indian stars for their donation. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.